Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about with the column rename function. This function is used when you want to rename an existing column in a data frame to the new column name. It is very useful when you want to have more cleaner or more meaningful column names. And the syntax is very easy with column name renamed. You will put the existing column of the name of the column, and then you will put the new column name. Now here is my sample data. We have a few records here, and then we're creating a data frame called df by using this sample data. And here is a list of the columns for this sample data. We have full name, country, and age. Now df.show will show us all the records from the df data frame. Now here I want to rename some of the columns. So rename by using with the column renames. Here we are creating a new data frame, and we are using old data frame df with the column renamed. And where we have a full name, I want to change to the name column. So right there, so I use we can only rename single column, but I'm trying to do rename two columns in this statement. And then here we are renaming our country to the nationality and we use the same function with the column renamed here, and that will be it. It's gonna rename two columns here. The full name will be renamed to the name, and country will be renamed to the nationality. So this is how you will rename your columns in the data frame. Now you will go ahead and print this rename underscore df by using the show function, and it's going to show us the results. Let's execute the notebook, and now we will see the results. And here is my original data frame. We have a full name, we have country and age, and here is our renamed data frame where we have renamed a couple of columns, and we have renamed the full name to the name, so that looks good. And we have renamed country to nationality, that looks good as well. And we left the age as is, so no change for that one. I hope you learned this quick trick how to rename the columns here in the data frame. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.